Hello guys, this is Dr. Lior Bar-El, and today I'm going to show you guys, because even Samsung apparently doesn't know, how to use this with your phone to record yourself for video vlogs, for content creation, all kinds of stuff. Like I said before, I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. It's not as good as a lapel mic, obviously, but it's really, really good. And we're going to get right to it, and I'm going to show you guys exactly the sound quality that comes out of it and how to set it up. So let's get right to it. Okay guys, so before that, I'm just going to give a quick story. So I called up Samsung because I was like, hey, what the hell? How do you record, sound from this, into my phone when I'm filming? Like, how do I do that? How do I, if I want to film myself, do a video vlog or whatnot, how do I do that recording? That would be so cool. I don't have to buy lapel mics, all that stuff. So I could just go and just, have a good time, just have the thing record me and I'll be fine. What do I need to do to make this happen? I am not kidding you when I tell you I called them up and they had no freaking idea. Okay, I looked it up. I could not find it. I was so angry. You have no idea. And then suddenly it came to my mind. I was going through some of the settings and I found out exactly how to do it. 3 of their representatives, because I called 3 different times, none of them knew how to do it. Samsung, get your stuff together. Make sure you hire people who actually know their product. I have nothing against customer service people. I know they work hard. I love them for it. And I know every time they're getting calls. But, let's face it, most customer service people, I used to work in customer service, there's things we know, there's things we don't know. And, it kind of sucks because when you want that information, you're never getting the right information. I used to do the best I can. I used to contact everybody to try to get the right information, research for the customers. Not a lot of people are willing to put in that time, especially when they're getting calls constantly. I was working in a small-time company. They're working in a big-time company. Every second, one call, one phone goes down, another one picks up. So I'm not going to really blame them for it, but Samsung needs to hire a little bit of people that, people that could give the customer service people information template that can tell them exactly what people are asking for. Apparently, maybe this wasn't big enough of a request, but I know a lot of you guys said, hey, Lior, we bought this. I want to know how the hell to do it. This is nonsense that we can't do it. Well, let me show you what's all about. So I'm going to set it up right now. I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing, okay? So here we go. I'm going to do it this way so you guys can see it, while seeing me, because I want to make sure I, pour that on there. So here we go. So I'm just going to surround it. Why is it doing this now? Okay, here we go. Oh, because, okay, I have airplane mode on because I didn't want any interruptions. So my head is a little bit crooked here. All right, so first thing you want to do on this baby here. Okay, you know what? Let me go overhead. Excuse me. Okay, guys, so you can see right here. It's my thing, right? All right, so we're going to go into more. Okay, once you go into the filming part, right, into where it says record, you go into more. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to hit the Pro Video, okay, which is cool. You see already the sound coming in. Everything looks good, right? Now you're going to go to Omni, okay? This is where it is. And you could see you could hook up a USB, okay, through a dongle. You could hook up a USB mic to it. You could say which microphone you want to be used on it. And, of course, my Bluetooth isn't enabled, because I have airplane mode on now. So give me 1 second. Sorry about that. Okay, guys, so I just paired this up. So I'm going to show you guys right now. Okay, so we're going to go into Omni. See, right now, what came up? Bluetooth. See that? Bluetooth. Mic records, you see? I'm recording right into the microphone. Let me get this in here. Hello. Hello, you see? So now we're going to do a recording. I'm going to show you guys exactly how this thing sounds like. Okay, guys, so this is a test right here. So I'm going to you can see it's picking up sound from the air condition right now. So it's, like I said, it's not a lapel mic or any type of other mic, but you see I'm in a distance right here. I'm talking. My voice is usually very clear. I don't really need to even use a mic, to be honest with you. But the mic directly from the phone sounds way better than through here. So this isn't like a Lampo mic. This is good for video vlogging, even content creation. I mean, if you're just starting out, this is really cool just to have this baby in your ears. I would have liked it better if it could handle more of the outside noise better, if it was a way that it could isolate that, because I don't see why it should pick up noise from an air condition that's barely could be heard. You know, I mean, it could be heard, but not as loud as it is through here. I just don't understand why it couldn't just kind of filter that when it's going directly to the ear, if it doesn't pick up something like, I guess because from the mouth to here, it's not like you're having a microphone, you know, up there. So that's pretty much it. So this is the voice and the sound you get from this thing. So this is pretty darn cool. This isn't bad at all, I'm going to tell you. And for the price, I mean, really, $165 for something like this is pretty darn awesome. I think it's pretty cool. So let's get right into the regular shot. So guys, I hope this thing helped you out. I really do. And it, you know, it is what it is, and it does a good job. I think it actually did a better job before. Now than it did before. Before, when I was doing it through testing, I was actually had some fans on from a distance, and it picked up some fans. So again, if you don't put the air conditioner on and fans, you'll be fine. But if you're doing video blogging, you're outside, most likely they're going to pick up some of the outside. Obviously, it's not going to be like a Lampo mic or something like that, or even, you know, anything like that. But it's it does the job. It does a great job in what it does. Now, that's what I think. I absolutely love it. Again, like I told you, this is definitely worth it with the Note 20. Now, you can't do this on the Note 10. I've tried it. It doesn't work unless they updated it or something and I'm not aware of. But that's the thing that I love about this, the fact that it has that pro mode where Apple, you have to buy an app for that. This thing actually has that. And it also lets you record right away through, sorry about that. I don't know why my light just went on. It lets you record right away through through these babies, which is pretty cool. So Samsung, I hope you see this video. And anyone that calls them, I hope you get somebody who, you know, if instead of 3, you don't get those 3, you get somebody else who knows that. Again, I'm not downing them in any way. You know, it is what it is. Anybody that works in customer service knows exactly how the heck that is. You know, especially in a busy thing, I can't even imagine the stress these guys go through. So, you know, I hope that they come to see this, and I hope that everybody that has trouble you know, connecting these things to the phone, and you know, they want to know how to do it and all that, would come and see it in this video, and hopefully this helps you guys out a lot. I really, if you like what you see, definitely like, subscribe, hit that bell button. I hope it helped you out. Again, you know, I thank you guys for the Patreon services and all that, but I love you guys. I'd rather you guys keep that money for yourself, invest in buying the new tech. Again, I recommended this a 10 out of 10, but only with the Note 20, with the Note, you know, Ultra. With the Note 10, it didn't give the same kind of results in terms of, you know, the quality you're getting from the ears. Definitely see the review I have on that, and you guys will know what I'm talking about because I go more into detail on that. But again, I work 3 jobs to make this happen because it's an independent channel. I buy this stuff, so you don't have to. And then if you like it, I'd rather you guys save that money. Right now, we live in uncertain times. Invest it, give it to charity, or buy this new tech if it's good, which is, you know, this one I recommend. And let me know what you guys think. Like, subscribe, hit that bell button. Have a good one, y'all. Take care. Bye. As always, guys, if you like what you see, self-funded here, be sure to check out all my other stuff, from mini-series to unboxings to technology, you know, and Nintendo reviews and 3D printer reviews and all that good stuff. If you like what you see, the only way you can help the channel is by liking this video, subscribing, and hitting that bell button. As many more cool videos to come. Definitely want you guys in it, and I want you guys to be vocal. Definitely comment down below. I want to hear what you guys have to say. Have a good one, y'all. Take care. Bye.